You are busy on crypto. Maybe you've just lost your shirt, or maybe you're now a millionaire. Who knows when it comes to crypto? 1 minute you're up, 1 minute you're down. You may be like, Megan, crypto is so yesterday. I am in so-and-so now. Regardless of what it is, I want you to know that your online presence is an essential part of your estate plan. And so in this video, I want to talk about estate planning for digital assets and managing your online presence. So really two topics. So let's talk about estate planning when it comes to managing your online currency, your online assets. For these things, many of you know about people who have passed away. They have their crypto account, they have their online assets account, they know the password, they know the username, but they never shared it with anyone. In fact, they maybe have been so paranoid, they didn't even write it anywhere, and therefore you're there flipping through their stuff. You know that they have these assets, but you have no idea what their passwords are. Unfortunately for you, that information is not kept anywhere, and therefore, unless you have it, those assets will be lost in the pool of forgetfulness. And therefore, if you're the person and you know that you have assets that are online, you may have cryptocurrency, you may have a stock portfolio in a situation that's not typical, like your general Charles Schwab or something like that, you want to make sure that as part of your estate plan, your username, your password is accessible and is in a place where your loved ones can go retrieve it so that your hard work won't be lost in the sea of forgetfulness. Next thing that I want to talk about, managing your online presence. If you are online now, and if you're on YouTube, if you're on Twitter, if you're on Instagram, if you're on Facebook, whatever, you may have spent hundreds of hours just refining your information. You have your videos. Maybe now you have gone viral, and now this digital tool that you have is now a legit asset. And now you may have a bank of pictures, whatever, on Facebook. All these things must be incorporated in your estate plan. Fortunately for you, if you are a part of the Bryan Fagan family, we give you an entire binder with the tools and with the resources so that you can properly manage this part of your estate. Because while you can physically see that house out there and you can see that car, you can't see those cryptocurrency. You can't see that Facebook bank of pictures that you have and videos. And these are essential part of your estate plan. And fortunately for you, we do not overlook those. My name is Megan Truick, lead estate planning attorney here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, and I would love to meet you. Go ahead, subscribe, like this video, go on our Facebook page, or even just go to www.bryanfagan.com/estate planning and make an appointment with me. Thank you. Hi, so you are enjoying the Bryan Fagan Family Law YouTube channel. Well, you are in luck. We have now launched a brand new YouTube channel that is totally dedicated to estate planning, probate, and guardianship. If you want to hear more and if you want to see more videos, click on the link in the description below and come on over to enjoy total estate planning, probate, and guardianship content. Thank you.